Once upon a time, a man was dozing off under a tree. This seems familiar, doesn't it? What could possibly go wrong?
In I perceive the law at work.
Oh, is this the famous Isaac Newton? But wait, isn't it the 21st century? How? Well, maybe wormhole, maybe time dilation. Let's not ask questions we can't answer.
What manner of contraptions are these? Carriages with no horses? What's wrong with people here? If this carriage is going to move, aren't we supposed to grab onto these handles?
Oi!
Hey sir, please grab this handle or else you will fall.
Oi! ज़्यादा ज्ञान मत दे. I travel to every.
I told you.
Oh, bhai sahab, I thought I have excellent body balance.
Well, it's physics, isn't it? If you would have just listened to this gentleman right here, you wouldn't have fell.
Indeed, young boy. You know, when train moves forward, your body decides to remain at rest. That's why we have to hold these handles. And this is the first law of motion.
Oh, then why didn't he fall? He wasn't holding handle either.
Maybe it's got to do something with the heavy bag he's holding.
Well observed. So this is second law of motion. Acceleration is inversely proportional to its mass. The heavier the object, less it moves with the same force.
I knew it. That's why you offered me to hold my bag. Huh? Give my bag.
What? बिल्कुल नहीं. ये मेरा बैग है.
ये मेरा बैग है.
Oh my god, breaking news! Two brothers fighting and defying the laws of physics and metro. Live from Delhi Metro! Direction. When the train turns, your body also goes straight. Oh God! Delhi Metro is looking so boring now. कहाँ मैं बिग बॉस IRL देखने आई थी और कहाँ मैं ये सब ज्ञान सुन रही हूँ? Bring us all the treaty when I desperately need it. मेरी सीट है ये. ओ जी, क्या का नाम लिखा है सीट में? जब हम पर सीट से उठ गए तो ये सीट पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी है. अब इस सीट में मैं बैठी हूँ तो ये मेरी सीट है. ऐसे कैसे तुम्हारी सीट हो गई? हाय रब्बा, मेरी कमर! अरे आंटी जी, पहले धक्का तो आपने ही दिया था, इसीलिए तो कहते हैं जैसे को तैसा. And this isn't karma. This is literally physics. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction.
हाँ मुझे पता है ये वाला लो. मतलब जब ऑब्जेक्ट ए ऑब्जेक्ट बी पे फोर्स लगाता है तो ऑब्जेक्ट बी भी उतना ही फोर्स लगाता है बट उल्टी डायरेक्शन में.
Precisely. You have spoken the third law of motion. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction.
This does not seem like a case of equal and opposite force. More like equal and opposite drama. This is exactly what I made my internet biz for, LOL. Ladies and gentlemen, what a ride it has been. From the first law of motion to inverse proportionality to army combat. Truly, Delhi Metro has it all. And here with me is the man of the hour. Delhi? Sir Isaac Newton? आए? कहाँ गया ये बंदा? इतनी जल्दी
may have invented countless wonders, but man still fails to understand motion. In Newton's time, an apple fell, but in ours, it's people, falling in the metro every day, for fame, for clout, and for recognition. Yet the laws remain unchanged. The laws remain unchanged. Perhaps that's why he traveled from the past to remind us about the universal truths we face every day, but seldom choose to understand.